What's up, guys? This is the Joker here. Oops, sorry, had the mic. Had something up. This is the Joker. Just doing a quick payphone hit. The rock star. Got my gold postal outfit on. I just did a Dax mission. Gotta get a police car. Oh, there you go, right there. Of course, they're at the donut shop. That is so funny. This is funny. 2 police cars at the Ring of Fire Chili House. Look, I'm taking your car. I need it for my purpose. Alright, let's go get this guy. Let's turn on the lights, so nobody gets in front of us. I think this is one of the best things Rockstar did with the police. Like, you put the lights on, they get out your way. Just like in real life. Some idiots like that would just stop in the middle of the road. Trying to figure out where is he. Let me throw a quick GPS, see which way he's going. Oh, he's going straight up. So, no, he's not. Where is he going? Yeah, he's going straight up. Hopefully this snow don't mess us up. Let's go this way. These payphone hits is pretty cool. Some of them. Oh. How did he get over here this fast? He was all the way up. Okay. I'll take it. This is so funny doing this one. Some of them I don't like. This one is cool because he just gonna run right into something soon. Ooh, that's it. You get the hell out of there after that. And boom, 85,000. Easy as said than done. I wish we can keep police car modifying and stuff, but obviously we can't. Alright guys, this is the Joker signing out, and I will see you when I see you. Peace.